Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. I am so bothered by the number of advertisements that I am seeing on social media from people who claim to be nonprofit experts and are soliciting business to start 501c3 nonprofit organizations to help people enhance their communities. I have created 5 questions that you can ask any person who is soliciting your business to start a 501c3 nonprofit organization that will expose the fact that they are phony experts. If you want those 5 questions, just type 5 questions in the comments and I will send them to you. They will help you during the interview process to choose people who really have the qualifications to help you earn 501c3 nonprofit status to enhance your communities. Thank you so much for your desire to do good, and I want to help you do good. Just type 5 questions.